How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
I've missed you.
Yes, me too.
It's always nice to come here because I know I'll be talking to you.
Yes. And last week you shared some of your deepest emotions. I was so grateful. Thank you for that.
Thank you.
Not many people give me enough.
I'll think about it.
So you also had the Bantu nuts on your hair. They rolled it up. It's very cute.
Thank you.
The lady from Angola.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes,
How do you say hello in Angola?
Hola.
In Portuguese?
Hola.
Hola.
Yeah.
Ah, I see. Interesting. How did you enjoy your performance? It looks like many people enjoyed their performance.
Yeah.
Something different, isn't it?
Yes.
Do you enjoy it that much?
Yes.
Yeah.
I enjoyed
the whole
my
process, going to the embassy, meeting them.
Yes.
Nice.
I really enjoyed my performance. Last week actually was a roller coaster for me because finding information about Angola was a bit stressful.
Yes, because they're not an English-speaking country. So it's not one of the countries you'd usually gravitate towards as an English speaker. You know?
Yes. And even for some reason, the culture of the Portuguese has taken over their native culture.
Yeah,
so you
absolutely.
don't even get the information that you are looking for. So I'm like, okay, so what can I do? I was very worried, honestly. Very worried.
Hey, Teiya,
But
you
I
can
went,
worry you.
I went to the embassy, I got some information, and I thought to myself, okay, so Angola is very, very rich in natural resources. So I'm basing the body of my presentation around the natural resources like diamond, gold, bauxite. They have a lot. They are so rich. Their diamond sector is 4th in the world and 2nd in Africa.
Wow.
They have a lot. So I
just went there.
Yeah.
And it worked.
On Sunday, I was so rich. I was $10 million rich.
Look at you. Yes. Wishing that was in real life, isn't it?
I was so rich, with $10 million to invest in diamonds.
Wow. Look at you. That was good. I enjoyed your show. Have you watched yourself?
Not yet.
Since the performance.
No.
So we'll watch that.
Okay.
But before we watch it, let's talk about, evictions last week. It was another heavy one.
Yeah. It was another heavy one.
And Usua.
It was another heavy one. But I think that we all have come to understand that it's supposed to be like that. So you just get grateful that it's not you.
Get on. Yeah.
You just get grateful that it's not you. Or we've all come to realize that this is it.
It's real, isn't it?
It's real and this is it. So you just get grateful.
How do you guys get over it and just move on like that? It must be really tough though.
Yeah, it's tough, but you're honestly grateful that it's not you, right?
Yeah.
So you just thank God and know that there's another Sunday and there will be eviction. So are you going to, hold on to the
tears
or
and
you're going to take on the baton and run the race?
Wow. Angola. I didn't know much about Angola until you came round.
Yeah.
So let's have a look at your performance.
Okay.
And there's no point because I can't judge you, but I just want to have a read over and look over.
Okay.
Olá, Ghana. Boa noite. Meu nome é Rainha Njingambandi, Rainha de Angola. The world couldn't be complete without its heart, Africa. I welcome you all to Angola, where Portuguese is our official language, although we have some native languages like Umbundu, Kimbundu, Kikonko, and few others. 6th March 1957 means a lot for Ghanaians. In Angola, 11th November 1975 brings us chills. That's a memorable day when we finally gained independence from the Portuguese who colonized us for 70 years. In our beautiful Samankaka cloth, like what I am wearing, we made merry. There was so much of our delicious delicacies like muamba, which is just like granite soup in Ghana, and funch, kokonte in Ghana. Add okra and all you have to do is face the wall. There was so much touch of music here and there, and our Simba and Kizumba dances were not spared at all. I still remember how it felt when I walked on the river bridge, the oldest bridge in my country. Oh, how it felt when the fresh water fell on my face on the waterfalls of the Kampala. Oh my God.
Honey, who are you talking to? About chills and feelings?
Don't be so jealous. It's all about our beautiful country. Dear, you see, I've also been thinking about how we can invest our $10 million. You know, our country represents one of the world's largest mineral deposit area. We could try the diamond industry, which is 4th in the world and 2nd in Africa. Or maybe the gold industry.
Or maybe copper, manganese, and oil.
Probably the iron ore industry. The mask making and wood carving industries are doing well too. What do you think? I feel like if we invest in our country, we'll not only be making income, we'll also be changing lives, which will go a long way to reduce the rate of poverty.
Diamond, it is.
Of course, diamond, my dear. This calls for a celebration. Kiss somebody.
Hey, look at your salsa moves.
Oh my God.
How does it feel watching yourself like that?
I'm just happy. I'm very happy. I enjoyed myself, and I'm glad I was able to represent Angola that well.
This guy you were dancing your salsa with, who is he?
Oh,
He's an extra.
actually, he just trained me for the performance.
Is he from the embassy? Or he's
No,
one of the trainers?
he's not.
Oh,
He's not from the embassy. TV3 provided the trainer. Yeah.
I'm happy for you. You seem satisfied with yourself.
Yes.
Which is good enough for me.
Yes. I feel satisfied.
Right. So what are you doing in the house this week? Are you cleaning or you're cooking?
I'm cooking.
Oh, so how many of you are cooking then? You, Haria,
Me, Haria, Afra, Aiko.
Aiko.
Yeah.
Okay. And then the other 4 are doing the cleaning.
Cleaning, yeah.
Wow. It's so close now. You people are 8.
Yeah, you know,
How many-
sometimes after cooking, I dish the food and then I'm counting. I'm not sure it's up. It's like it's small. The place is not up. And I realized, okay, that's just a number.
Yeah, Afra was saying like after eating one morning, she's only 3 plates at the sink, and she thought like, where are the rest?
Yeah.
You know?
You dish the plates, the food, and then you are not. It's like it's not up. And you count again, and then you remember that. Oh, okay, it's up.
Ah,
Yeah.
wow. So you're exactly 8. You're exactly half the number you were before.
Yeah.
How does it feel like surviving every week and, you know, picking yourself up, highs or lows, just picking yourself up and moving on to the next week?
It feels great.
Yeah?
Yeah, it feels great. I'm happy I've come this far.
What region did you say you were representing?
Volta,
Volta.
with the Quay.
Ah. So Honam
Yes.
is your teacher.
Yes, so
How is that
now,
going?
not bad.
Honam
I'm
is a
trying.
proper Volta girl, eh?
I'm
She
trying.
knows her people pa, she knows her region
Yeah,
pa.
yeah.
Are you learning some Ewe?
Yes, I'm learning some Ewe.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Can you teach us anything?
Togbio, Mamao,
Mamao.
Volta
Even I know that one. I know the
Medegwe
kaba
nami.
kaba kaba.
Yeah.
Medugbe nami.
F1. Medeku A.
Eh?
Edunua. Medeku A. Ow. Yeah.
I
Learning.
see. That's interesting. I'm looking forward to it. I
Me
can't
too.
wait, really.
Me cry. I can't wait. I really can't wait.
Yeah?
It'll be an interesting one.
It will
on
be.
Sunday.
It will be.
Yeah.
You know, to represent a region you're not familiar with.
Yes,
So,
yes,
so
yes,
that should be interesting. But who are you teaching your culture to?
Aiko.
Aiko. Yeah.
Yes.
She's doing Northern region.
Yes.
How is Aiko? She's very teachable, isn't she?
She's
Somebody that picks things quickly,
you know, it's different with languages.
isn't it?
Yes.
Tell
But
me.
Aiko is trying. I like how she pronounces the words. I like how she pronounces the words. How do you say this? And then I teach her. Then she pronounces it. I'm like, oh, this is British Dagbani. Yes, but she's doing better than some people would have.
And
Yeah.
I see. I'm looking forward to I'm looking forward to Sunday so
too.
badly.
Me
Now that I've
too.
heard from all of you,
Me
and
too.
I know, you people are representing other regions. So
Yeah.
I'm going to be glued to
You
my
should.
television set.
You should. You
Yeah,
should. You
yeah.
should.
So I mean, it's all good in Teyyaville because you seem very happy. You look healthy. You look rested.
Thank you.
So I'm happy for you actually.
Thank you.
Because last week you were a bit down with your
Yeah.
evictions and so on. So I'm happy that you're much lighter this week.
Thank
but
you.
before you leave us, who do you really miss from home, the people at home, and the people that have left the competition so far?
I miss my mom
Oh.
so much.
Do you see her in the crowd? Does she come?
No,
Oh.
my mom is in Tamale,
Okay.
and I think she should pray I get to finale
Then
so she
show up.
can come.
Oh.
Yeah. She really wants to come, but I think that the stress.
Yeah, there's no point for
so I just
now.
tell her you should use the transportation money to vote, then pray so that I go for finale, then she'll come.
Ah, I see. Who else do you miss?
I miss my parents and family friends and every contestant that got evicted. I miss
Especially
all of them.
who? Who especially?
All of them. All of them. Yeah, all of them.
You remember all of them and
All
how
of
they
them.
used to be?
All of them. All
Yeah.
of them. Yeah.
I see. They'll be happy to hear that you miss them.
I miss them. I miss them. I miss them.
And yeah, I mean, what do you think of when you first hear the statement? What do you bring to the table?
Of the statement, what do I bring to the table?
When somebody asks you, what do you bring to the table in different contexts? Maybe a job interview or a relationship. What do you first think about?
Oh well, like you rightly distinguished, they depends on the
Context.
situation or the context. But usually, I feel like the person just wants to know my contribution to whatever context it is. And if I have some particular contributions to it, I go
Lay
ahead
it
to tell
out.
them. Yeah, I get interactive.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's really good to have had time with you, Teiya, this week.
It's always good to be
Isn't
here.
it? Isn't it?
Yes.
I always look forward to it.
Yeah.
So I'm glad you also look forward to it. But I'm hoping that you make it
Oh,
through
me too.
another week. So
me too.
really bring it hard this time. Don't slack at all.
Okay.
And don't let your feelings get to your head.
Okay.
Just bring it. Bring all of it and lay it out on the stage.
Yeah.
And let's see what you're made of.
Yes.
The little lady from Dagbon.
Yes.
All right. So I hope I'll see you next week.
I pray.
So
I
keep
pray
your head
so.
up and stay happy, stay healthy,
Thank you.
and we'll see you. We'll
Thank
see you on Sunday.
Thank
yeah.
you. All the best to you too.
All right. So say hi to a couple of people and then let's move.
Oh. Hello to everybody in the north, the whole of Ghana, for supporting me, for bringing me this far. Because I keep saying I don't think that my performances alone can bring me this far. The vote is very necessary. And so thank you so much to everyone for bringing me this far. To MPs, ministers, chiefs, queen mothers, Christians, Muslims, market women, students, everyone in Ghana, not just my region. Thank you so much, and especially to the executive and members of the Dagbon Students Association of University of Ghana, UPSA, University for Development Studies. Thank you so much. CEO
All right,
of
Teiya.
Magdan Group of Companies. Thank you so much. Hajia Shani Mahama, Samantha Shani Mahama, thank you so much. You've been a lovely sister to me. Hajia Habiba Shani Mahama, thank you so much. You've been a mother.
Right.
Thank you to everybody.
I'm sure they're all listening, and
Yeah.
I mean, you don't have to mention everybody. I'm sure they know. They know
Yeah.
you're grateful. All right, Teiya. So hopefully I'll see you again next week.
Okay.
So don't get kicked out. Yeah.
Right.
Stay strong.
Thank you.
Okay,
All the
bye-bye.
best. Bye.
She's a backbone of her home, winding up to be a ruler, mother, a warrior. She's a warrior. Yeah, yeah. She's an African girl. Ghana's most beautiful. Ghana about 50. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ghana's most beautiful. Yeah, Ghana's most beautiful.
we're